we just had a downpour, and the water was just running over the grass into the storm drain catch basin. It goes through the inlets of the grate on top. Now that that rain is over, this rain event is over, there is a lot of water in the subsoil, and it's not going to find its way into the storm drain catch basin. We have to find a way to drain the subsoil, lower the water table. So what we do is we connect a French drain we basically go in through the sidewalk of the storm drain catch basin, and we go through 12 inches of concrete. You can see we're draining the water from the subsoil, and we're lowering the water table. This is how a French drain improves your property. For a French drain system, dry well, sump pump line, dry creek bed, perimeter French drain, curtain French drain, any yard water solution, give us a call.